guys, and welcome back to my channel.
Welcome back to the channel.
In today's video, I'm gonna do an eyeshadow review or whatever. It's Miss Laura Lee Los Angeles Party Animal palette, and I know. Let me see. This is what it looks like. It's like colorful color. I'm excited to use them, but let me just tell y'all something a little bit. Alright? I'm trying to be nice in this video, but if I become shady, I'm sorry. It's just like, I got this palette a long time ago, like when it first came out, when she was still nice and not racist. But now I'm like, she's racist. But she is, like, if y'all see Zama channel, if y'all know the beauty community, you know what happened. Girl, she is right. She said some racist tweets back in the day, and she got the nerve to put middle fingers up on Jeffree Star. Like, bye girl, shut up. Anyway, yeah, this is like the only Laura Lee palette I'm gonna do. The reason why I'm doing this review because I had it a long time ago, and I'm like, oh, I need to make a video. Why not do a tutorial on how to do a look? So I'm gonna start, and I hope you guys like this video, even though it's a little controversial. But hey, let's get it. Okay, so the first color I'm gonna go into is the color Wait. I can't find my bag. Oh, whatever. It's gonna have to work. Alright, I'm gonna go into drinks, and I'm gonna put it in the crease. I never worked with colorful eyeshadow before, so this is gonna be different. It's cute. Oh wait, I need to do some swatches. I'm sorry, I'm like the worst YouTuber ever, I know. So let's do swatches. The first one is called It's a Party. It's smooth, I ain't gonna lie. I don't like Laura Lee, but it's smooth. It's like a neon green color. You could barely see it. It's not that pigmented, to be honest. The next one's called Damage Control. Oh my god, this one's so buttery. That one's good. I like that color. It's cute. The next one is Karaoke. All of her shadows are so buttery. Miss Laura Leach coming for the crown. Next one, Drinks. It's cute. Yeah, see? Oh, this one I'm really excited for. It's called Bottoms Up. Bottoms up, bottoms up, ah. Oh, it's pretty. It's like pink and glitter. I know y'all ain't gonna see it, but it's really cute. The last one is called Hungover. So let's watch. Ooh, this one's falling apart in the pan. As soon as I fucking swatch it, it was crumbling. Ooh, it's pigmented. Look at that. It's low-key patchy around the edges, but it's pigmented. But the only thing I like about it is that it crumbled as soon as I fucking put it on the shit. Like, girl, shut up. Anyway, alright, let's go back to drinks. Sorry. Alright, it's good. Alright, so the next color I'm gonna go into is Bottoms Up. And I'm gonna put it on the lid. So I'm gonna take my finger and put it on my lid. I messed up. Yes. This a mess. See, look, I have it all over here, all this fallout. It's a cute color though. Swatch hands, I got swatch hands. So the next color I'm gonna go into is damage control, and I'm gonna put it on the lower lash line. So and I'm gonna blend it into the pink so it can make like a purplish color. This looks a fucking mess! Whatever, I'm over it. Alright, so next color. I'm gonna go into is karaoke, and I'm gonna deepen the lower lash line. I'm sweating. I'm mad as shit, I'm sweating. So the last color I'm gonna use is hungover, and I'm gonna put it like deep in the crease. I'm gonna use this big fluffy brush to blend everything together. Ow! I'm over this fucking look. Everybody looks a fucking mess. I'm over it, so whatever. I'm gonna go back in this orange color and then blend out everything. I'm gonna put It's a Party in my inner corner. Alright, this is the final look. I mean, it's cute. I just don't like how it looks in person. But I'll be right back. I'm gonna I'm gonna dry myself off because I'm sweating, and I'll complete my other eye off camera. This is the completed look. So yeah, this is the completed look. And my review is, I like it. It's like cute or whatever. Like if you really like a colorful eyeshadow palette, this will be it. No, not really. No. No, the 35B palette, where is it at? Like, I'm mad as shit. I really wanted to get it. Like, now it's like sold out, but this is like half of it. like a third of the 35B palette, and I heard that this is a copy of the colorful version of Life as a Drag, and I wish I could get that palette. I really want that palette, but I don't have it. So, yeah, but yeah, I like this palette. It's like I'll give it a B, you know, like a B. Like I rate people off the makeup, not their personality. So, Laura Lee, girl, I don't like you, but this palette is cute. So, anyway, I'm sorry if I'm not feeling myself. Recently, I'll explain everything in like a mukbang or whatever, because I really haven't been feeling myself. I've been really stressed, and that's why I haven't been consistent. I'm sorry, guys. I hope you guys understand. But yeah, let me just end this video before I get sad. Anyway, so this is the completed look. Oh, I look a mess. Anyway, so if you guys like the video, you already know what I'm doing. Give it a big old thumbs up. Okay, I love you guys so much. I love you, my moon babies.